Hey, how's it going there?
It's going alright.
So yeah, what's your name?
Who are you again?
Tell me your freaking name.
Okay, it's Emily.
You fond of your name?
Yeah, it's a good name, I guess.
So, are you a boy or a girl?
What? How can you not tell? What? Not that bad.
So, where are you moving to?
You don't know where you're going?
You know what? Just no, okay? I don't get enough, okay? I don't get enough money. I just sit in this freaking taxi all day and ask people stupid questions, and then there's all this freaking rain.
It's really not raining.
Fine, you know what, Mr. Cocky Cock Smarty Pants? You don't need to go where you're going, okay? Get there yourself!
Wait! Wait! Wait!
You got my wallet.
Wait! I can't drive! This sucks. Where's the floor? Well, it's got a radio. Let's see if I can. Better go meet my new neighbors. Hey! Why isn't my house this nice? Why does everyone in this town go to bed so freaking early? How would I even know? There's no clock. I guess I better go to bed too. Don't want to be the annoying neighbor.